Are you tired of dealing with stubborn dirt and grime that just won't budge? Whether it's your driveway, car, or patio, an electric pressure washer can make the task effortless, saving you time and energy. But with so many options on the market, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why today, we're diving into the best electric pressure washers that deliver powerful cleaning performance without the hassle. In this video, we'll break down the top models, highlighting what makes each one stand out, from their pressure levels to their ease of use and durability. If you're looking to get the job done right without headache, keep watching to find the perfect pressure washer for all your cleaning needs. Plus, don't forget to check out the product links in the description below to make your purchase even more effortless. Greenworks GPW3001. Greenworks GPW3001 electric pressure washer stands out with its impressive 14-ampere true brushless motor that generates up to 3,000 psi and 2 dpm, making it a powerful tool for tackling a wide variety of cleaning tasks. With a total of 3,300 cleaning units, it delivers efficient performance that makes outdoor cleaning quicker and more effective, rivaling the capabilities of gas-powered models. Thanks to JetFlow technology, this model offers up to 50% more flow, allowing users to reach higher areas and rinse powerfully in less time. The heavy-duty cast aluminum axial cam pump is built for durability, ensuring long-lasting performance and maintaining the pressure washer's strength even after frequent use. It comes with 15, 25, and 40-degree soap and turbo nozzles, giving users the flexibility to tackle a variety of cleaning jobs. Additionally, the 15-inch surface cleaner makes it easier to clean large, flat areas like driveways and patios, allowing you to work efficiently and reduce the time spent on cleaning. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose and 35-foot power cord with an inline GFCI are designed to offer safety and flexibility during operation. The hose ensures durability while allowing you to cover more ground, while the long power cord ensures that you can move around your space without worrying about outlets. It is built for portability, featuring 10-inch never-flat wheels and a compact frame that makes it easy to maneuver. CRAFTSMAN CME PW2800. It is a robust electric brushless cold water pressure washer designed to make outdoor cleaning tasks more efficient and effortless. With its powerful performance, it delivers up to 2,800 max psi and 1.1 GPM, providing the right amount of pressure and flow for a wide range of cleaning applications. Whether you're washing your car, clearing off your patio, or cleaning your driveway, this pressure washer has the power to get the job done quickly and effectively. It comes equipped with multiple quick connect wand tips, including a turbo nozzle, 15, 25, 40-degree, and soap nozzle. It also includes a convenient 1-gallon removable soap tank. This feature makes it easy to apply cleaning detergents without the hassle of constantly refilling, saving you time and effort, especially when cleaning larger areas. Additionally, the 10-inch wheels make it highly maneuverable, allowing you to easily navigate around obstacles and move the pressure washer across various terrains, from driveways to garden paths. Westinghouse APX3500. It is a compact and highly efficient electric pressure washer that is designed to handle a wide variety of household cleaning tasks. With a maximum pressure of 2,500 psi and a flow rate of up to 1.76 gallons per minute, it provides ample power to tackle tough dirt, grime, and stains on everything from driveways to vehicles. It stands at just 16.5 inches tall and weighs only 19 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to store when not in use. Additionally, its low center of gravity, combined with 4 360-degree quick lock wheels, ensures that the washer stays stable and can be maneuvered effortlessly across a variety of terrains without the risk of tipping over. The versatility of APX3500 is another standout feature. It comes with 5 quick connect spray tips, including a turbo nozzle and nozzles for 0, 15, 25-degree, and soap application. The pressure washer also features a 20-ounce onboard soap tank, which allows for easy detergent application when dealing with heavy-duty cleaning tasks. The 25-foot hose is nylon-braided and easy-coiled, ensuring that it remains tangle-free and durable during use. Designed for maximum efficiency, it includes a 17.5-inch extendable wand that connects quickly and easily to the unit, allowing you to reach higher areas with ease. Sunjoe SPX3000XT1. It is an incredibly powerful tool designed to handle all your cleaning needs, whether it's for your home, outdoor spaces, or vehicles. With a 14.9 amp motor, this washer delivers up to 2200 psi and a flow rate of 1.1 GPM, providing exceptional cleaning power to remove dirt, grime, and debris from various surfaces. These tips allow you to easily adjust the spray pattern, providing a pinpoint jet for focused cleaning or a powerful fan for larger areas. There is also a soap applicator, perfect for applying detergents efficiently, ensuring that you can tackle light, medium, and heavy-duty cleaning tasks with ease. This pressure washer is designed for a wide range of cleaning jobs, from washing windows to cleaning vehicles such as cars, RVs, and boats. Included in the package are several useful accessories, including a 34-inch extension wand, a 20-foot high-pressure hose, a 35-foot GFCI power cord, a garden hose adapter, 4 quick connect spray tips, and a needle cleanout tool. Dewalt DWPW2400. It is built to handle a wide range of cleaning tasks with ease, offering a maximum pressure of 2400 psi and a flow rate of 1.1 GPM. It includes an integrated soap tank, allowing you to apply detergent directly through the pressure washer gun, enhancing cleaning effectiveness for stubborn stains. The thoughtful design of this pressure washer includes onboard storage for the nozzle, pressure washer hose, power cord, and wand, helping you keep everything organized and ready for use. This prevents the hassle of tangled cords and misplaced accessories, allowing you to focus on your cleaning tasks. The 25-foot kink-resistant hose is made to withstand frequent use, offering durability and flexibility for extended cleaning sessions. Additionally, the 35-foot power cord provides ample reach for larger areas, making it easier to clean wide spaces without constantly moving the washer around. Its 10-inch premium pneumatic wheels provide easy maneuverability over various surfaces, including rough terrain or obstacles, allowing you to transport the washer effortlessly across the job site. PowRyte 3800 P264K. It is a high-performance machine designed to tackle demanding cleaning tasks with ease. It generates up to 3,800 psi of water pressure and provides a flow rate of 2.4 GPM, making it highly effective at removing tough grime from a variety of surfaces. Equipped with a durable NCR pump, this washer is both non-corrosive and maintenance-free, ensuring long-lasting reliability. It offers versatile cleaning options with 4 quick connect nozzle tips, including 0, 15, 25, and 40 degree, as well as a soap applicator. The included snow foam lens adds further versatility by allowing you to apply detergents directly to the surface, while keeping chemicals like bleach or vinegar separate from the pump to extend its life. The 20-foot high-pressure hose is designed to be kink-resistant, ensuring durability and flexibility during use. Additionally, the washer features an onboard hose reel that helps keep the hose organized and tangle-free when not in use. For added convenience, the PowRyte pressure washer includes the total stop system, which automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged. With a compact design, the PowRyte pressure washer weighs just 19.18 pounds, making it easy to transport and store. Kärcher K5. The Kärcher K5 pressure washer stands out for its powerful performance, delivering long-lasting and effective cleaning results. Unlike universal motors, the K5 utilizes a water-cooled brushless induction motor combined with a non-corrosive NCR pump, ensuring durability and enhanced performance. With 2,000 psi and 1.43 GPM, the K5 delivers powerful cleaning performance. For versatile cleaning, the K5 features the Vario Power Spray Wand, perfect for light-duty jobs, and a patented Dirt Blaster Spray Wand, which delivers superior cleaning power on tougher surfaces. The Dirt Blaster Wand is designed to handle even the most stubborn dirt. The pressure washer comes equipped with a 25-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose, providing ample reach for larger cleaning areas. Additionally, it includes an onboard pressurized hose reel for convenient and organized storage, allowing you to quickly stow the hose when not in use. One of the standout features of the K5 is its onboard removable detergent tank, which allows for easy soap application. AgiiMan G1517. The AgiiMan G1517 electric pressure washer is designed to deliver powerful performance, providing an impressive 5,100 psi water pressure and 3.4 GPM water flow. Equipped with an upgraded 1,600-watt copper core motor, it ensures exceptional cleaning power, effortlessly tackling even the toughest dirt and grime. For added convenience, the washer includes a 20-foot pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord, providing ample length to reach every corner of your property without hassle. This extended reach allows you to clean large areas and hard-to-reach spots with ease. Additionally, it comes with a soap bottle, enabling you to apply detergent for more effective cleaning, as well as 4 different nozzles. These nozzles allow you to adjust the pressure, ensuring the right level of intensity for various cleaning tasks, from heavy-duty grime removal to gentler cleaning for more delicate surfaces. And that wraps up our guide to the best electric pressure washers on the market. We hope this video helped you find the perfect model to make your outdoor cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more useful tips and reviews. Don't forget to check the description for all the product links so you can grab the pressure washer that's right for you.